Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily replace your radio antenna on a Suzuki Swift all by yourself. It's so simple, anyone can do it. Let's dive right in. All you need to do is unscrew the old antenna, just like this. No tools required, it comes right off. So here's the reason why I'm replacing my Swift Sports antenna. Monkeys. Yup, we've got monkeys in the neighborhood, and they've taken a few bites out of this one. You can even see the bite marks. Super annoying, right? But no worries, it's an easy fix. Now, we grab our new antenna and simply screw it back in place. Easy as that. Would you look at that? Perfectly installed, and no more monkey business. Now for my other Suzuki Swift, this antenna's a bit more damaged. Unfortunately, some kite strings got tangled up and snapped it. As you can see, this one really needs replacing. Same deal here, just unscrew the broken one and screw in the new one. It takes no time at all. All done. It looks so much better now, right? And there you have it. 2 antennas replaced in just minutes. Super easy. Anyone can do this at home. Plus, I got these antennas for just $3.30 at Mr. DIY. How awesome is that? Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this quick DIY, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Swift mods and tips. Catch you in the next one.